Welcome to Esh Haza, the ultimate Saudi Arabian brand for all your needs. Please check out all our product lines. Enjoy the demo video and thank you for visiting us.
Esh Haza Engine Degreaser. Shake the bottle well and spray it on the dirty area. Wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wipe off the sprayed area. Here, we can see the difference between both the areas. See the amazing effect of Esh Haza Engine Degreaser. Wow! See the magical effect of Esh Haza Engine Degreaser. Thank you for watching.